Hello, how are you? I hope you are always healthy. Thank you for visiting our channel. Do not forget to like, share our content, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Straight to the video this time, my friends. The Little Red Roof is located just minutes from downtown Clayton and close to stores, hiking and horse trails, rafting, zip-lining, Tallulah Gorge, Lake Burton, Lake Rabun, etc. This tiny house has all the must-haves for a home away from home. Sit back and enjoy the trees from the front, or go around back and say hello to Casper, our old man horse. The tiny house is located on the owner's same property with its own driveway and far enough away for that extra sense of privacy. The space. It's beautiful, Mom. The smart words from my 4-year-old son as he walked in for the first time after we finished decorating. Small but mighty. This tiny home does not feel tiny in the slightest. Come and see for yourself. Guest access. This whole tiny house is for you to use and stay in as your own. Please enjoy the place, patio, and outside areas. Other things to note. The home has 2 smart TV for internet streaming such as Netflix for movies and shows. Please note there is no cable, direct, etc. Inside the home. Pet-free space. Since this is our guest house located on our property, we cannot welcome pets or service animals at this time. My in-laws stay here while visiting us and have pet allergies, and we also want to provide safe accommodations for other guests with allergies as well. If animals are found within the home, you will be asked to leave immediately with no refund and charged an additional cleaning.